hashgate. You've gotten access to an organization's portal. Submit your email and password. It redirects you to your profile. Be careful, just because access to the admin isn't directly exposed doesn't mean it's secure. Maybe someone forgot that obscurity isn't security. Can you find your way into the admin's profile? Website's running here. All right, so we go to the website, ask for an email and a password. We'll look at the page source, and fortunately for us, they've left behind an email and a password. So guest at pico2026.org, password guest. Guest at pico2026.org, password guest. All right, so access level guest ID 3000, insufficient privileges, view classified data, only top-tiered users can access the flag. All right, so our ID is 3000. If we notice anything about the ID is being checked, it's not plain text, maybe a one-way function is involved. All right, so if we look at this thing, what kind of hash do we think this is? So let's go ahead and we'll go to crackstation.net, robots, and that's the MD5 hash of 3000. So what they've done is basically just put in the MD5 hash of the user. They tell us that, it's probably a hash, and they tell us that they're about 20 employees. So what I'll do here is I have a little program, and it's going to use the Python request library to send to this with response going into a file. So I'm going to loop from 3000, 3022. So they're about 20. I'm going to hope they count up. This worked. If it didn't work, I would have tried counting down. And so we basically create this URL plus the hash of each number from 3000 to 3022. We get that URL. We stick the response in a file response and then the number, and we'll simply loop through this. So you'll see it's trying each of these URLs. There's the hash of 3000, the hash of 3001. We see here there's another one. So response 3010. And welcome admin, here's the flag, ID or unlock.